going to construct plumber block parts. First, go plumber block body. Go to protrusion, select this one. Construct the lines like this. Then mirror this one. So go to line command, join the bottom line. So now go on doing the dimensions here. Go to smart dimension. This is 14 mm. This distance this is 4 mm. Overall height is 55 mm. So now 44, 38 and 168 are the widths. So smart dimension, this is 44. So next this distance is 38. This distance is 86. Overall length is 168. So this depth is 12 mm and this depth is 3 mm. Now go to arc, that is arc by 3 points, end point of this, end point of this, like this. So now go to tangent command, make it as tangent shape. So now return. So go to symmetric option. So the width is 36. Finish, cancel. So now go to cutout command. Select this one. So here there are two holes of diameter 10.5. Circle diameter is 10.5. So now mirror this one. So this distance between these two circles or holes is 62. Return through all, downwards direction, finish, cancel. So again go to cutout command. From bottom surface, select the bottom surface. So construct one rectangle here. So that square, it is of the hole is of square section of length 20. So go to smart dimension. This is 20. This is also 20. So make this as horizontal vertical alignment. So now mirror this one. So now go to distance between midpoint of this and midpoint of this. This should be 62. Return. So the depth is of square depth is of actually 7 mm, but I am considering from the base, so it should be 9 mm. So one more cutout. Select the same bottom face, one rectangle. So in all direction the distance is 8 mm. So for that one go to smart dimension. Distance between this is 8 mm. This is also 8 mm. This is 8 mm. And this is 8 mm. So now go to mirror command, mirror this one. So return. So the depth of that rectangle is of 2 mm. Finish, cancel. See it here. So rectangle depth is 2 mm, square depth is 7 mm from rectangle. So we considered it from the base, so square height is of 9 mm. So make it as isometric, that is control I. So one more cutout is there. Select this one. Draw a rectangle here. So this is of width 10 mm and length is 8 mm. So put like this. So go to small dimension 8 or 7. This is 8 mm. This is 10 mm. So to construct an ellipse there, go to circle command. So diameter is of 10 mm. Place a circle in here and here. So now trim the unwanted lines. Go to trim command. So now make this as tangential. So small dimension. This is of radius 5. This is 8. Fit. Mirror this one. So now go to distance between command, midpoint of this 8 mm line to midpoint of this 8 mm line. This is 128. Make it as 128. Return to all, downwards direction, finish, cancel. So now there is a V bottom section here, that is V shaped hole. So for that one, go to
Revolved cutout.
hole.
Okay.
Hole option here. See here, from first distance is of 12 mm. Next distance, that is depth is 3 mm. 12 plus 3, 15 mm. Next the radius is 19 mm. 15 plus 19, 34 mm. So depth of hole is 6 mm. Totally it is 40 mm. So in hole option, that is simple hole. Diameter of that hole is 6 mm. The finite value is of 40. Select V bottom angle. OK. Place it here. Return. Downwards. Finish. Cancel. So now observe in the front view. See here. This is a V section. So one more cutout is there.
Around.
Cutout. Select this face. Fit. So this distance is of 86. So for that one, diameter 86. Fix it in the middle of block. Return. So here you go for cutout side step. Outside. So depth. So depth is for this much. Total height is 55. This height is 14. So total depth to be cut out is 44 mm. Downwards. Finish. Cancel. So one more radius or one more curve is there. So that is of radius 6 mm. Go to round option. Radius is 6 mm. This is body of plumber block. So save this file. Continue on. The second part of the plumber block is kya? First control line, that is isometric. Here also protrusion, select exact plane. So draw the drawings like this. So then mirror this one. So now construct two arcs here. So here arc by 3 points and arc by center point is there. So I am selecting arc by center point. This is the center point. From here to this end point, one arc. Again the same center point. One more arc. So now go on doing the dimensions here. So go to small dimension. This distance is of 6 mm. So next distance is of 12 mm. And this distance is of 10 mm. So this width is of 44. So this is of radius 19. And this is of radius 36. Overall width or overall length, this is 86. Finish answer. So return again symmetric. The width is 36. So now go for cutout command. Select this face, circle. Again 10.5 diameter holes, 2 holes. Diameter is 10.5. 10.5. So first place it here, fit, then mirror this one. So the distance between centers of two holes is 62 mm. From this circle to center of this circle, this is 62. Return, through all, downwards, finish, cancel. Again one more cutout is there. So this part, so this is of radius 12 mm. Select again the same face, circle, radius 12 or diameter is 24. Place it in the center, fit, go to mirror command, mirror this one. So return, select through next in the upward direction, finish, cancel. So now observe here, I am going for top view. This is the top view of plumber block kya. So one more revolved cutout. So go to revolved cutout, select this plane. So construct some lines here. That is, I am going to construct counter bored hole. Since I am in revolved cutout, diameter should be taken half. So the first diameter, bottom is diameter 3 mm. Make this as 1.5 mm. So this diameter is 6 mm, take it as 3 mm. So this distance is of 10 mm. I am going for distance between command from here to here. It is 10 mm. So now mention the
Sorry,
axis of rotation. This is axis. return
Okay.
inside direction 360 degrees, finish, cancel. So in the front view I am observing this. See here, this is counter board pole. So once again go to cutout command, select this face, circle of diameter 86, place it in the middle, return. This is cutout side step, outside, downwards, finish, cancel. Yes sir?
Save it.
So save. This is cap of plumber block. Now I am going to construct bearing top off and bearing bottom off. So for that one, go to revolve protrusion, compulsory take XY plane. If you are taking XY plane, that is better. So construct some lines. So mirror this one. So join the ends of these points.
Handover of handover.
So first you construct this one. So now go on doing the dimensions here. So here it is 22 width and 36 and also 50 width is there. So first width, go to small dimension. This is 22. So next width is 36. From here to here it is 36. Overall length is 50. So next diameters wise I am coming. So first diameter is of 35, second is of 38 and third is of 50 mm. Since I am in revolved protrusion, so you should take it as half of that one. So first go to small dimension. This is 35 diameter, take it as 17.5 mm. So next diameter is 38, take it as 19. So next diameter is 50 mm, take it as 25 mm. Right? Return. Okay, revolved features must have an axis of revolution. So axis, return. So it is half, that is 180 degrees. Select as 180. Finish. So now there is a cutout of 25 diameter is there. So go to cutout option, select this face, circle, diameter is 25, fix it in the center, return through all in that direction, finish, cancel. So now I constructed half of the bearing. So here I am going to construct bearing bottom half. So for constructing bearing bottom half, go to protrusion. So there is a pin, the pin should be inserted or placed here. So for any curved shape, it is impossible to fix the protrusion. So for that one, I am going for parallel plane, parallel to this XY plane. So it should be placed here. This is of radius 17.5, pin height is of 5 mm. So parallel should be of 22.5. So now go to circle command. The pin diameter is 6 mm. Circle, pin diameter is 6 mm. Place it in the center. Return. So now
Next.
we should come downwards. If you come downwards means it is coming like this. If you go upwards, it is going like that. For that one, you should go for protrusion through next downwards direction. finish, cancel. See it here. This is bearing bottom half. First I am going to say this one as bearing bottom half. So now I am editing this one. No next step constructing the half of the bearing again. So only I am removing this protrusion. So go to protrusion, select this one, remove that protrusion. So now I want to make a hole there. So that is bearing bottom half, hole diameter is 4 mm. Same thing, cut out. Again go to parallel plane, parallel to XY plane. 22.5 is the height. So go to circle command. So the diameter is of 4 mm. Place it in the center. Return through all downwards. You observe here there is a hole. So now go to file, save as. So go to file, save as, bearing top half. So this is about bearing bottom half and top half.
Yes. Start.
So now I am going to construct the part bolt. So go to protrusion, select XY plane, construct one rectangle here. So relationship angles I am going to on. So make it as horizontal and vertical. So this is of square 18. So go to small dimension. So this is of 18 square. So return. So the height of that bolt head is 6.5 mm. 6.5. Finish, cancel. Now there is a chamfer there. So for that one, go to revolve cutout. Select any XZ or YZ plane. So construct one line here. So now go to angle between. This is 30 degrees or this is 60 degrees. Anyone you can take it. I am taking it as 30 degrees. So now axis of, this is the axis. Return downwards directions. 360 degrees, finish, cancel. You observe here, the bolt head is chamfered. Come to isometry. So upon that there is a cylinder there, that is M10 has given. So go to protrusion command, select the top face, circle, diameter 10 mm, place it here. So the height is of 75 mm. 75 is the height. Finish. So next there is a threaded portion for 26 length. So go to hole option, there thread option, go to select straight thread, select the cylinder. So the threaded portion is from the bottom, select the threaded portion is from the top, select the top circle. So to the finite value, so that is 75, in that 26 is the depth of threading. So that is of M10. Select it as M10. Finish, cancel. So now go to chamfering this one. Setback is 2 mm. Finish, cancel. Mugitala sir. So this is plumber blocks bolt. I am going to construct nut and lock nut. So for that one, go to protrusion, select XY plane, Here you observe here, go to applications, macros, run macros, n-sided polygon. So here take the flat length as 10 mm. So number of sides it is asking, already by default it is 6. Okay, now apply relationships. Now minimize it, don't close this one, minimize this one, place it in the center, come return, wait for some seconds. So first I am going to construct nut now. So the height of that nut is 8 mm, 8 mm, finish. So now go to revolve cutout. Go to revolve cutout. Suppose I am taking this plane. You observe here, there are 3 rectangles here. Now we can't chamfer this portion. Return. Select another plane. Now we are observe here. There are 2 rectangles here. So now go to line command. Construct an equilateral triangle here. So for that one, the angle between this is 60 degrees. So then axis of, this is the axis, return, downwards direction, 360 degrees, finish, cancel. You observe here, on both its faces, the part has been chamfered. So inside there is a threaded hole of M10 diameter. So go to hole option. Go to hole option, select the upper face. Here it is threaded. Make it as M10 to the hole extent through all. Okay. Place it here. Return. Downwards. Finish. Cancel. So now save this one as lock nut. So in this stroke only you can construct lock nut.
Nut.
This is nut. Now I am going to construct lock nut. Sorry, protrusion on the right click, dynamic. So go to protrusion in the edge bar, right click, dynamic edit. You zoom this one. You observe here it is of 8 mm. That is nut height is 8 mm. So select this, make it as 5 mm. That is lock nut height. Now the thickness is reduced.
Save as nut.
So now go to file, save as.
Lock nut. Maybe nut and
Save. This is lock nut of the plumber block. Here reference. So now I am going to construct one shaft here. So go to protrusion, select XZ or YZ planes. The shaft is of diameter 25. So go to circle command. Diameter is 25. 100 folder. So select the length as 100. Finish. So file saved as shaft.
This completes all the parts.
This completes all parts of a plumber block. Now go to assembly. So here again go to the drive that saved. I saved in D drive. Go to the plumber CAMD drawings. There plumber block body, first body, drag it here. So on that body
Bearing bottom off.
So now bearing bottom off.
Here axial ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಸಾಕು.
So drag the bearing bottom off. axially on.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ
Keeping. So this one
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
lock up.
ಹಾಂ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್
Below.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ
So make axial and axial.
ಫಿನಿಶ್
So this is bearing bottom half. Then go to bearing top half. Drag this top half portion. So make the axial here. Inside hole.
ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 25 ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಹಾಂ
So this
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
axial.
ಆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಂ
This axial with this axial pinner.
ಬೇಡ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ
This axial.
ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೇಸ್
ಇದು
ಅದಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೇಸ್
ಇದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೇಸ್
This with edit go. Select. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಬನ್ ಬಾರ್ ಎಡಿಟ್
ಹೌದಾ?
ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Face. ತಗೊಂತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಲ್.
ಕಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್
ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಪಿನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ವೈರ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ
I am again going for bearing top of. Drag this one here. So go to axial rotation lock with this axial. Now planar with this face. So now this has been fitted. Control F. Infantry observe here. So now go to cap. Drag it here.
ಎರಡು ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ
Axial rotation lock with this axial.
ಆಯಿಲ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮಧ್ಯದ ಹಾಂ
This hole to
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಲ್
this hole. It has been fitted.
ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ವೈರ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ವೈರ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ
Good. So now take the bolt. Bolt. Axial. Rotation lock with this axial. And face of this. So next
ನಟ್
nut. Axial. Axial rotation lock with this axial.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
axial rotation lock with this axial, then bottom face here, this face. So again select lock nut. Same process. Axial rotation lock with this axial. This face with top of the nut face. So now no mirror. Now go to 3D mirror here.
Mirror copy feature.
Here is 0. Go to mirror components. So first select the reference plane. So select the reference plane. So now you select the parts to be mirrored. So nut, lock nut, and
shift control
nut, lock nut,
control shift ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿರರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ.
Go to mirror. Select the reference plane.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So first bolt, nut, and lock nut. Okay. So there is a dialog box appeared here. It is showing the parts nut, lock nut, and bolt. It has been selected. Say OK. Chapter. Finish. Cancel. So now insert shaft, drag the shaft here, axial axial rotation lock with this axial. Finish Pakula. So this is the assembly of plumber block. So now go to PMI.
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಡ್ರಿ.
So another way of drafting. Go to file, create drawing, normal drop, OK. Here also this next front view, custom. This view is correct. Close this one. Top view. Finish. Place it in the window here.
ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್
ಇದು ಟಾಪ್
ಅದು ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡ್ರಾ
ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಬನ್ ಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Now I am going to do right half inch section. So for that one, take cutting plane, select this top plane, make a zoom here. So from this mid point, construct one horizontal line. Again with the same point, one vertical and one horizontal line. Finish. So take this like this.
Delete.
So now
delete the view.
delete the front view. Yes.
Section view.
So now go to section view. Select this. Move it here
Place it.
or place it here. So again
Section
take a
view.
zoom of this one.
Select.
Go to select command.
Right click.
Right click.
Drawing view.
draw in view. So select the hatchings in the bearings, delete it, and also bolt, delete it. Return. Go to fit command. So this is right half inch section of plumber block.